Creativity needs no limits when it comes to being inspired by lilac flowers. This pendant was inspired with the colors of fine lilac flowers here, and it has purple amethyst and rose quartz to it. The beads on the sides are amethyst beads. It is an abstract design, perfect, smooth, silky feel, and the round edges look very, very modern. All day wear, anywhere. If you want to order, just make sure to look into the captions for the prices. Free shipping worldwide, limited edition. I hope you don't miss it out.